Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Remy and you're welcome to my channel, or if you're a regular here, I would like to welcome you again. Thank you everybody for your support. For some time now, anytime I cook beans porridge, my husband always gives me an excuse not to eat it. So I decided to switch things up and I recorded the process to show you. So if you would like to cook beans porridge that no one can resist, keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is to boil my beans until very soft. I already washed these beans and I let it sit in hot water for about 3 minutes. I washed and transferred into this pan. So I'm going to boil this until very soft. This is it. It is very soft with minimal water inside, and I'm going to set this aside. Next, I'm going to heat up some palm oil in a pan. I'm not bleaching, I'm only going to heat this up. And to that, I'm going to add some chopped onions and grated garlic. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, and especially if you have come across my videos a few times, please subscribe now so you can see all my amazing recipes and useful tips and tricks. Still frying the onions for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, I will go in with boiled fish. This is the one we call kote here in Nigeria. And I have taken out the bone in this. If you have smoked fish or dry fish, even better, you can use it. I already have this boiled fish in the freezer, and I'm just going to fry this up in the oil, not for too long, just about 5 minutes. I'm going to let it sit in this oil and fry it for a bit. If you like this video after watching it, don't forget to give me a like. Many people always forget to do that, so I'm reminding you now. 5 minutes later, I'm going to transfer this pepper mix into the oil. I have here some atarodo, that's red scotch bonnet, tatashe, a little bit of bawa, that's cayenne, and onions. I find that using a blend of peppers like this contributes to the richness of this dish instead of just using dry grinded pepper. I have some Ponmo which I have washed and cut into bite sizes. I added 1 stock cube, and now I'm adding salt. I will stir everything and let it fry for another 5 to 7 minutes, or at least all the moisture or most of the moisture in this stew is gone. Okay, this is looking good. It looks as if almost all the water in this stew is gone. It looks dry, and it's a good time to go in with my already cooked beans. Just to mention that I'm using oloyin beans for this recipe. If you want, you can use your choice of beans. That's the beans that you prefer. It can be white, it can be the drum variant, just any beans that you like. Just make sure to cook it soft. This beans is going to be so delicious, I can already tell. And if I win this one, my husband is going to be eating beans more regularly. I tasted it and I feel that I should put a little salt, and I did that. I have now mixed everything together. This is not done yet. I still have one last thing to add to these beans, which is sweet corn. Just a little quantity. I'm using the small can of sweet corn, and that is all I'm adding to this. I don't want it too much. Just going to mix that all up nicely, and I will let this sit for a few more minutes on the stove top, and this will be done. This is looking so good, guys. And to finish everything off, I am going to serve this with some plantain, and that's what I'm frying now. Left to me, I would have just added my plantains inside the beans while it is cooking, so everything just cooks together. But I have to put in a little more effort just so to get a mister to eat my beans. And for the first time, he ate these beans, enjoyed it, and he even asked for a second helping. I am glad that I achieved my aim. Matter of fact, everyone in the house enjoyed these beans. So if you do try this recipe, I would like that you come back and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.